guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can share your screen to other people in a FaceTime video call on the iPhone 15 series. So first let's in my current FaceTime video call, and we start at the beginning. So from the home screen you want to open up FaceTime. Next, in FaceTime you can start a new FaceTime conversation, or you can use one of the existing link or an existing contact. So here I'm going to tap on David and I'll start a FaceTime video call, and here I'm going to accept the call. I will mute the microphone for now. And to share your screen, you tap on this share button. So tap on that and then tap on share my screen from the pop-up. Once you start to share your screen, you can then go back to your home screen. I can put that one down on the corner. Sorry, I'm just gonna swipe up to minimize that. And here I can share the screen. You can see under the person. I can open it and they can view the screen as well as the camera. And here if I go into settings, they will see what's on their screen. If I go into phone settings, you can see on this here, on their screen, they will be able to see your screen. So that is how you can share your screen. It's quite useful if you need help with your device and someone be able to give you assistance. You can share your screen so they can see what's going on your screen. Or if you want to share a game that you're playing, you can also share it with them. And that's it. Once you have finished, you can stop sharing. So just stop sharing your screen, you tap on share, and that will turn off your screen sharing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.